How to split app on your Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. So open the recent apps on your phone and tap the app icon you want to use as a split screen. Now you can see open in a split screen view option. Tap on it. Now you can see top of the app half. Here you can select the second app. Using the split screen mode, you can access two applications at the same time. Here we select the Google Photo. Now you can see two applications. You can access two applications at the same time on your device. Tap on the three dots. Now you can swap the position. You can also create a app pair to quickly access two applications on your latest Samsung One UI 6.1. Just long press the or tap the three dots. Now you can see the star icon. Tap on it. Now you can see add app pair to home screen. Now add app pair to home screen. Now go to home screen. And you can see the app pair. Just tap on it. And you can quickly access both of apps at the same time. To exit the split screen mode, tap and hold the middle line and move the top or bottom of the screen to exit the split screen mode. That's it. If you like it, share it.